Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with a quick tip on how to play pinch harmonics on the guitar. So pinch harmonics are that kind of squealing sound that you hear the guitars make during lead lines. So in order to do this, you would need to turn off the distortion on your amp or pedal, switch to the rear of the bridge pickup, and then hold the pick very, very close to the tip so that when you strike the string, at the same time the pick is hitting the string, the side of your thumb is also rubbing against the string. So this is a normally plucked string, okay, but if I pluck it together with the side of my thumb, you get that.